Up by the fence, but he made that whole path all the way around there. Run your path, Yanni. Can't do that. Run your path, Jan. Ken, you're in the picture. Candy, come here. Oh, I honestly, God, have no clue what that dog is doing at this point. What are you doing? What is your brother doing, Uli? Uli, what is your brother doing? Why is your brother making a snow fort? Be nice, Yanni. Good boy, Jan. Come here, Jan. Come on, Yanni. Hop, hop. You can do it. Atta boy. Look at him. And I, honest to God, don't know what that dog is doing. I think he's lost his tiny little mind, what there was of it to lose. Now what are you going to do? This is my snow fort. Go, K-Bird! Yay, Candy! Woo! Woo! Good girl! Oh my God, look at him. He just powers through. He's amazing. Go, Candy! I'm not sure where you're going, but go, Candy, go! Look at him. He just powers.
Well, he's got longer legs.
He's got such strength. I mean, look at him. He just bulldozes. She's getting stuck and bogged down. He's amazing. He is amazing. This one just lost his mind. I swear to God. Good boy, Jan! Woo! Aren't you smart dogs? Good dogs. Yanchi nice. Yanchi nice. Yanni.